Look at, I ripped the whole roof off the daycare.
It's your boy Young Carter, around the clock TV, rocking my dog Posse. What's up, people? It's your boy Young Carter, the official host of the South. We in this bitch around the clock TV. What's up, people? It's your boy Young Carter, around the clock TV. We in Franktown.
Around TV, you heard me? It's your boy Cash Money YMCMP.
You're now watching Around the Clock TV. Boy. Hey, bro, this shit like clockwork.
Around the Clock TV, we everywhere, y'all know.
Around the Clock TV.
I don't know what to call it. I will say my fans everywhere I go. Show my ass everywhere I go. Kicking it Around the Clock TV.
What's up, people? This your boy Young Carter. And Hurricane Ida just hit. Crazy, man. Shit down everywhere. Where I'm at is okay. I had a little damage. Wasn't too bad, thank God. But I just came around just to kind of see what's going on around in the area, and I ain't really hit this hard. Yeah, a lot of shit down, so I'm about to keep y'all locked in. Trees down everywhere. Y'all gonna see stuff down everywhere. Man, wow, look, y'all. Shit is down everywhere. Not getting through there. The road is blocked off completely. Nothing but trees right there. We're not getting through here. Like, the road is completely blocked off, full of trees. Wow. Look at the water. God. That's crazy. Bro, it's down everywhere. I'm talking about trees. It's down everywhere, y'all. Like, can y'all see that? That's crazy. Like, you can't get through certain neighborhoods or certain roads. Everything is shut down. Yeah, that's crazy. Bruh. When I say they got stuff down everywhere, they got stuff down everywhere. I'm talking about trees blocked, power lines blocked, blocking whole roads. Like, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Flooding waters everywhere, y'all. Crazy. There's certain places you can't even get to. Police up here. I had to go around. trees down. Water on the road. That's a big ditch. Oh. That water deep. There's ditches out there. Shit. Everywhere. Street lights out. Signs of the gas station down. The fence is messed up. Cars underwater. And the trees down. Water everywhere. Look at, I ripped the whole roof off the daycare. Man. Road blocked out. Down everywhere. It's crazy, yo. It's on the interstate. So the interstate, they got a tree going across the whole street. Multiple trees. Oh, crazy. Multiple trees. Multiple trees down everywhere. They all up there laying and stuff. It's crazy. Man, it's crazy. Look. They everywhere. Man, this whole thing crowded. Thought this thing covered the whole road. Wow. Like all the way off the neutral line. That's crazy, yeah. Look at this. Trees leaning over here. Man, that's crazy. Goodness. All in the street, everywhere. You gotta slow down. Just to even move. Crazy, yo. All down the interstate. Trees are just down. Welcome to a minute to clean this stuff. I ain't lying. Man, this is crazy. Crazy. This is the interstate, yo. Trees now. Real deal crazy. Trees are down everywhere. Trees, power lines, everything on the interstate. Look at some cleaning up the dip around here, around these parts. That's crazy. Down everywhere, yeah. Wow. Shit down everywhere. Yeah, man. Got to show y'all some footage. I had to hit us pretty hard. On the same day Katrina anniversary, 16 years ago. They said that was her daughter. She had a Sweet 16 part on us. Shit crazy, man. It's gonna be a minute, man. I'm glad y'all got to see that footage. It's gonna be a minute before we clean this stuff up. Trees everywhere, power lines down everywhere, power out everywhere. Well, we're gonna get it done, you know. Louisiana, we're a strong state, man. So I'm glad I can show y'all some inside stuff. I'm gonna keep y'all locked in to some more things later on. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Anything y'all want to see. We gonna be out for power for a little while, look like. I'm about to try to go fix me something to eat or something. Yeah. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all keep us in the prayers. Out.
At the W, I'm just being managed. Take care of Mama Mia. She got me speaking Spanish like the genie in the bottle. Rub the booty, then she vanished. Body like a bottle, panorama, let me ram it. She be teaching pole class, control like Janet. The baddest in the building, baddest on the planet. Pole class, she be taking pole class. Pole class, she be taking pole class. Pole class, she be taking pole class. She be taking pole class, she be taking pole class. I like that. I like that. I like that.